The CelticBird 1.25 eyepiece set is an extensive telescope accessory kit that includes 5 Plossl eyepieces, 5 color filters, a polarizing filter, a moon filter, and a 2x Barlow lens, providing a comprehensive range of options to enhance your telescope's performance. The included Plossl eyepieces range in size from 40mm to 6mm, offering a variety of viewing options for different planetary and lunar observations, star clusters, cloudy nebulas, and deep sky targets, and even for daytime use. The 2x Barlow lens, which doubles the magnification of any inserted 1.25-inch eyepiece, is a valuable addition to the kit, offering the ability to increase the focal length of the telescope when attaching a DSLR camera for astronomy photography. With 5 color filters, red, blue, orange, green, and yellow, and a polarizing filter, this set is perfect for bringing out intricate details on a planet's surface or in its cloud structure. The included moon filter is a practical tool for dimming the moon's bright light, making it more comfortable to view, while also revealing more detail and surface features. This kit is neatly stored in a sturdy metal carrying case that is foam-lined for the safety of the accessories and even offers extra space for other small tools, making it an essential tool for all telescope users.